Hello my dear students, today I am explaining the basic concept of accounting. Now question is, what is accounting and what are the importance of accounting? Whether accounting is useful only for the financial persons or for any persons. Okay. So basically finance is a language of business. Whenever we term the finance, that means money, and without the money everything is big zero. Nobody can run the business without the money. That's why the finance is a language of business. For finance, we need three most important statements. Number first, balance sheet. Number second, statement of profit and loss account. Number third is cash flow statement. Now, how to prepare the balance sheet, how to prepare the statement of profit and loss account, and how to prepare cash flow statement. For that purpose, we have definitely know the basic concept of accounting. If you have the basic concept of accounting, then you can easily prepare all type of financial statement for the business. Now, in this department, the finance or accounting is required. For marketing department, for HR department, for operational department, for IT department, in all the department, there is a requirement of money and there is a requirement of finance. That's why हम लोग फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग को और अकाउंटिंग को और फाइनेंस को पढ़ते हैं फॉर ऑल द मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज. Now, what is the relevance of finance for PGDM students? Then finance is not about the numbers. Finance is about the decision. And all the three persons you all know, they don't have the background of finance. But nowadays, all are the king of finance. If you want to become the king in the market, so definitely you have the basic knowledge of accounting. Now question is, what is accounting? The definition of accounting is very lengthy, very long definition. But for understanding point of view, what is accounting? So recording of financial data in a systematic manner is called accounting. Now question is, what is financial data? If any of the transaction, if money involved, then such transaction is a financial transaction, and such financial transaction we will record in the books of account. What type of transaction may be possible? Just example, buying of coffee, paying of salary, payment of electricity bill, payment of telephone bill, purchase of goods, purchase of plant and machinery, purchase of building. Then all are the financial transaction, and in all the transaction money is involved. Clear? Now the second thing is systematic manner. Recording of financial transaction in a systematic manner is called accounting. So now there is two type of manner of accounting. Number first is a systematic manner, or number second is the unsystematic manner. You all know कॉइन का बेटा दो इफेक्ट है, हेड है ऑन टेल है, सुबह है तो शाम है, दिन है तो रात है. अगर सिस्टमेटिक है सो डेफिनेटली देयर शुड बी वन ऑफ द अनदर मेथड manner of accounting, and this is called unsystematic manner of accounting. Now question is, in the business, in the organization, which type of manner of recording the transaction is authentic manner? Then such authentic manner is called double entry system. And Luca Pacioli gives double entry system, and Luca Pacioli is a father of accounts. Luca Pacioli was a great mathematician from Italy, and who generated double entry system. What is double entry system? Every transaction have two effects. So two type of manner of accounting. Number first is the systematic manner of accounting. Number second is the unsystematic manner of accounting. Now, who can use unsystematic manner of accounting? Just example. Your parents deposited 10,000 rupees in the beginning of the month. Just example, on 1st of August, your parents deposited 10,000 rupees in your bank account. Now parents needs कि just give the explanation of expenditure day wise. Then how will you record that transaction? Definitely you will open one of the page of any of the register, और आप उस पेज पर डेट वाइज रिकॉर्डिंग करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, ऑन 1st August you spend 50 rupees for conveyance, 50 rupees for breakfast, and 200 rupees for lunch and dinner. Then how much you have spent during the year? Now you have spent it total 300 rupees on 1st August 2025. These are very small type of transaction, and this type of method is not feasible for the business entity, for the business, for the organization. Whenever you want to record the transaction in the organization and for the business, then definitely you have to use double entry system. And what is double entry system? Double entry system means every transaction have two effects. Now question is, two effects means, question is two effects means how many type of manner of accounting? Two type of manner of accounting. Number first, systematic manner. Number second is unsystematic manner. And systematic manner is called double entry system, or unsystematic manner is called single entry system. But nowadays, and all the business organization definitely use double entry system for recording the financial transaction. Now question is, what is double entry system? So every transaction have two effects. How many effects? Two effects. Now definitely अब बेटा आपको टू इफेक्ट्स के नेम देने पड़ेंगे. यू ऑल नो विदाउट नेम दुनिया में कुछ नहीं होता. हर चीज का एक नाम रखना पड़ता है. तो जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ द इफेक्ट नेम राम and another effect named Shyam. One of the effect named Sita, and another effect named Gita. Or we can say we have to transfer one effect in one room and we have to transfer another effect in other room. Suppose this is the room number 1 and this is the room number 2. Then first, in the financial transaction, you have to identify the two effects. And first effect you have to transfer, just example, in room number 201, and another effect you have to transfer in room number 202. Clear? But since Lucas Pacioli, जो कि इंडियन नहीं था, Lucas Pacioli was not from Indian, then he gives the name of the two effects. One of the effect name debit and another effect name credit. Now question is, what is debit and what is credit? सपोज बेटे इंटरव्यू में आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछें कि व्हाट इज डेबिट एंड व्हाट इज क्रेडिट. नाउ द आंसर ऑफ डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट, द डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट इज जस्ट ओनली नेम ऑफ द टू ट्रांजैक्शन. व्हाट इज डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट? Debit and credit just only name of the two transaction. Now how to transfer one effect in the debit room or another effect in the credit room? So there is some rules and regulation. So hopefully you understand what is debit and what is credit. So what is debit and credit is just only name of the two effects. Debit name, just example, this is room number 1 and this is room number 2. So one of the effect we have to transfer in room number 1 and another effect we have to transfer in room number 2. Now how to classify the two effects, whether debit or credit, whether Ram and Shyam, whether Sita or Gita? So there is some concepts, there is some rules and regulation. तो फर्स्ट बेटा हमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट. First we have to understand type of account, then we can easily classify the two effects in the transaction and then we can transfer one effect in the debit room and another effect in the credit room. So there is total 3 type of account. Number first, personal account. Number second, real account. And number third is nominal account. Now question is, what is personal account? So account which are related to person, all type of account or any of the account if related to the person, whether person is a natural person or the person is the artificial person, then such type of account is classified under the personal account. Account of human being, account of Ram, account of Shyam, account of Mohan, account of Sita, account of Gita, all are human being, then classified under the personal account. Account of any firm, account of company, all are not natural personal account. Clear? These are the artificial personal account. So personal account is further classified into 3 categories. Number first, natural personal account. Number second, artificial personal account. And number third, representative personal account. account which are related to person, whether person is natural person or person is the artificial personal person, such account is classified under the personal account. Clear? Related to person, related to firm, and related to company. For example, RAM account, State Bank of India bank account, and the creditor account. Now we will discuss further what is creditor and what is debtor. And now personal account is classified into three categories. Number first is natural personal account. Those who have the heart, human being, like account of Ram, account of Sham, account of Mohan, account of Ravi, all are the natural personal account. And all the entity who doesn't have the heart, like artificial personal account, like account of company, account of firm, account of society, all are artificial personal account. Number third one is representative personal account. So now what is representative personal account? So account which are represent to a person or group of person. Account which are represent to a person or group of person is called representative personal account. Just example. One of the company having total 100 employees, and due to any of the month, due to any of the reason, only one employee's salary is due. Due to any of the reason, the salary of one employee is due. So this is called outstanding salary. What is outstanding? Outstanding means amount due but not paid. Amount due but not paid. So all the outstanding account is treated as representative personal account. बिकॉज ये अकाउंट क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है कि हमारी कंपनी में एक एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी अभी ड्यू है. सपोज ड्यू टू एनी ऑफ द रीजन द कंपनी फेल टू पे all the 100 employees salary for the month of August. So this represent the salary is due for all the employees. That's why the definition is account which are represent to a person or group of person is called representative personal account. That means all type of outstanding and all type of prepaid. All type of prepaid is called representative personal account. Outstanding means amount due but not paid, and the prepaid means amount paid in advance. Clear? Like the telephone connection, mobile connection, two type of connection, prepaid and postpaid. First, prepaid means just recharge your mobile then use, and postpaid means first आप उसको यूज करें और बाद में उसका बिल पे करें. Number second is the real account. All the things जो आपको दिख रहा है, जिसको आप फील कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, are classified under real account. So real account is also classified or divided into two type of real account. Number first tangible or number second is intangible. So what is tangible account? Tangible means which can be touched, which can be seen, which can be measured, is called tangible real account. Like plant, machinery, furniture, building, laptop, computer, all are tangible real account. Cash जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, all are tangible real account. So now what is intangible? Which cannot be touched, which cannot be seen. This is called intangible real account. So example of intangible real account is goodwill. Goodwill, patent right, copyright, know-how, franchisee, trademark, all are intangible real account. Number third one is nominal account. The double entry system is based on type of account. पहले हमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा कि टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट्स क्या हैं, इनके रूल्स क्या हैं, देन वी कैन अप्लाई द डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. Then how many type of accounts? 3 type of account. Number first is the personal account, number second is real account, or number third is nominal account. So what is question is, what is nominal account? Account which are related to expenses or losses and income and gains. Account which are related to expenses or losses. Expenses or losses in the business. Whenever you run the business, so definitely you have to pay salary, electricity bill, telephone bill, repair and maintenance. So all type of expenses in the business, and all expenses classified under the nominal account. Nominal account means account which are related to income and gains and expenses and losses. What is losses? Like loss by fire, loss by theft. पहले बेटे हमको तीनों तरह के अकाउंट पढ़ने पड़ेंगे. 3 टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट, रियल अकाउंट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट. एंड नाउ देखना पड़ेगा रूल ऑफ अकाउंट्स, और वी कैन से गोल्डन रूल ऑफ अकाउंट. Every account have single line of rule. Every account have single type of rule. Now the rule of personal account. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Rule of nominal account, debit but comes in and credit but goes out. If in the nature of the account is real, जस्ट एग्जाम्पल कैश इज रियल, तो अगर कैश आपके बिजनेस में आ रहा है सो आपको डेबिट के रूप में डालना है, और अगर कैश आपके बिजनेस से जा रहा है तो आपको क्रेडिट के रूप में डालना है ना. रूल ऑफ द पर्सनल अकाउंट, डेबिट द रिसीवर. जिसने रिसीव किया उसको डेबिट के रूप में डालना है, एंड क्रेडिट द गिवर, और जो देने वाला है उसे आपको क्रेडिट के रूप में डालना है. Now third one is rule of the nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains. So now these are 3 accounts and rules of the 3 accounts. Now question is, how to apply the rules and record the financial transaction. Number first, rule of personal account, then rule of real account, and then rule of nominal account. First identify the nature of the account, then apply the rule, then we can easily record the transaction. Now where the accounts are related to person is called personal account. And what are the rule of personal account? debit the person who received the benefit and credit the person who gives the benefit. Now, first example. The first rule is just write down the transaction. Clear? Second rule, identify the nature of the account. Third rule or third step, according to the nature of account, apply the rule. Then you can easily record the transaction. But is a statement. A check of rupees 5,000 was paid to Raj. First, identify the nature of the account. A check. So check means bank. Of rupees 5,000 paid to Raj. And bank is a personal account. And Raj is also personal account. Well, how to record the transaction? First step, read the transaction properly. Second step, identify the nature of the account. Either personal account, real account or nominal account, or both personal, both real, or one personal, one real, one natural, one nominal and one real. First you have to check. In this statement, both accounts are related to personal account, both accounts classified under the personal account. Clear? Now third step, apply the rule of personal account. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. A check of rupees 5,000 paid to Mr. Raj. Who is receiver? Raj is receiver. Then how to record the transaction? Raj account debit 5,000 to bank is also personal account. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is giver? So bank is given. So this is the entry, Raj account debit to bank. Raj account debit to bank. Clear? So this is the system or method of recording the financial transaction in the books of account. Clear? Now next. Real account debit but comes in and credit but goes out. Just example, furniture costing rupees 10,000 purchased in cash. So first check the nature of furniture. So furniture is a real account. Furniture we can touch. And paid in cash. So cash is also real account. In this statement, both the accounts related to only real. Now apply the rule of real. What is the rule of real? Debit but comes in. So what is coming in the business? Furniture. Debit but comes in and credit but goes out. So जब भी बेटा आप कुछ सामान परचेज करेंगे, कुछ असेट परचेज करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? असेट आपके पास में आया और कैश आपके पास से गया. तो credit but goes out. So now the entry is furniture account debit to cash for rupees 10,000. Number third, the entry related to nominal account. We have already discussed the rule of nominal account. All expenses and losses are debit, all income or gains are credit. Now the example is salary pay rupees 10,000 in cash. So first identify the nature of the account. Salary pay. So salary is the expenses for the business or expenses classified under the nominal account. And paid in cash. Cash is real account. Now in this transaction, we have to apply the rule of nominal as well as real. So what is the rule of nominal account? All expenses and losses are debit. And salary is the expenses for the business. So what will be the entry? Salary account debit 10,000. Now the apply of rule of real account, debit but comes in, credit but goes out. So whenever you pay the salary, so definitely आपके पास से कैश चला गया. तो जब कैश जाएगा उसे क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट करेंगे. So entry is salary account debit to cash. So now question is there any proper format to record the transaction? So answer is yes. Whether you record the transaction manually or computerized, system is same, method is same, and the different type of books are same. So whenever you record the transaction in the business, then we have to prepare one of the book, and such book is called general book. Then total 5 column of the general book. The first column for the date, second column particular, third LF number. We will discuss Hanabi further what is LF number. This is the debit amount and this is the credit amount. In the computerization system, in the Tally or SAP or BG, now no need to mention ledger folio number. The computer automatically record the transaction. So major column is date, particular, debit amount or credit amount. Because we will record the transaction day wise. Now question is, what is bookkeeping and what is accounting? The bookkeeping means recording the transaction or the financial transaction, day-to-day transaction in the system, whether manual system or computerized system. This is called bookkeeping. Record the transaction. And what is accounting? Accounting just elaborate concept in comparison to bookkeeping. Accounting is a interpreting, classifying and summarizing of data is called accounting. Now what is the mechanical process? What type of ledger, what type of account we have to prepare? First we will prepare general, then ledger, then cash book. Now we will discuss further what is ledger and cash book. And in the accounting, for the analytical purpose, we will prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet, and from profit and loss account and balance sheet then we can prepare ratio. Now the focus for bookkeeping, just only accuracy of records, but the focus of accounting, decision making and insighting. Clear? First we will record the transaction, so this is called bookkeeping. Then we will prepare the balance sheet and profit and loss account, so this is called accounting. Then we can take the different type of decision on the basis of financial statement. Now, how to record transaction we have already discussed. Now I am going to solve 2-3 small type of transaction, and we will discuss some of the important terminology of the accounting. What is the first stage of the business, first step of the business? Suppose Mr. A want to start the business. So definitely there is some requirement of money to commence the business, because without the money this is very tough, or we can say not possible to start the business. Clear? So just example, Mr. A contribute 10 lakh rupees into the business. Mr. A contribute 10 lakh rupees into the business. So what is this? This is called capital. If the owner, proprietor or partner contribute the money in the business, so this is called capital. So now we have discussed one terminology is called capital. Clear? But before starting the recording of transaction, we have to discuss one of the accounting concept, and this is called business entity concept. Now question is, what is business entity concept? This is the first concept of the accounting, very important concept. And the business entity concept means the business and businessman both are separate person. Just example, Mr. A commence a business with the name of Abhi Enterprises. Mr. A commence the business with the name of Abhi Enterprises and contribute 10 lakh rupees into the business. This means, or as per the business entity concept, Mr. A and Abhi Enterprises both are separate person. So whenever we record the transaction, then we consider only business. हम बिजनेस के लिए ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, ना कि बिजनेसमैन के लिए. जब भी आप ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, आपने बिजनेस को कंसीडर करना है, बिजनेसमैन को कंसीडर नहीं करना. सो नाउ द फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन इज स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद कैश रुपीज 1 lakh. Started business with cash. So what type of account involved? Number first, capital. What is capital? If the owner contribute the money in the business, so this is called capital. And who contribute the money? Person contribute the money. So capital is a personal account. And the second account is cash. So cash is the real account. So now we have to use the rule of personal account and real account. What is the rule of personal account? Debit but comes in the business. कैश हमारे यहां पर आ रहा है, एंट्री क्या बनेगी? कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 1 lakh. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is giver? Owner is giver. So owner is technically termed as capital. So what will be the entry? Cash account debit to capital. Number second entry. Purchase furniture. So furniture is a real account and question is silent whether you make the payment in cash or through bank or UPI or credit card, debit card is silent. So we definitely consider cash. But one of the important concept under the Income Tax Act, if the payment amount exceeding rupees 10,000, then you cannot make the payment in form of cash. जब भी आप 10,000 से ऊपर का पेमेंट करेंगे तो आपको पेमेंट बैंक के थ्रू ही करना पड़ेगा, इधर चेक, इधर नेट बैंकिंग, इधर डेबिट कार्ड, इधर क्रेडिट कार्ड, इधर यूपीआई. You cannot make the payment in form of cash where the payment exceeding rupees 10,000. In this example, only 10,000 rupees is given. Then we can assume cash. Then how many account involved? Furniture, real account, and cash is also real account. Now we have to apply the rule of only of real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit but comes in and credit but goes out. तो बेटे बिजनेस में क्या आया? बिजनेस में फर्नीचर आया. एंट्री क्या बनेगी? फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट, हाउ मच? 10,000. एंड टू बिजनेस से क्या चला गया? बिजनेस से कैश चला गया. तो एंट्री क्या बनेगी? फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. नेक्स्ट इज पेड सैलरी. तो सैलरी इज ए नॉमिनल अकाउंट and paid in form of cash. So cash is also nominal account. So first account is salary. So salary account is nominal account and second account is cash. So cash account is real account. जब भी बेटा बिजनेस सैलरी पे करेगा तो पैसा जाएगा. Now we have to apply the rule of nominal account as well as real account. What is the rule of nominal account? All expenses are debit. So salary is the expenses for business. But will be the entry? Salary account debit 10,000 to cash 10,000 because cash is a real account. What is the rule of real account? जो आ रहा है उससे डेबिट करना है और जो जा रहा है उसे क्रेडिट करना है. सपोज इन द सेम एग्जाम्पल अगर बेटा यहां पे लिखा होता सैलरी पेड ₹20,000, हाउ मच पे? 20,000. सो दिस इज एक्सीडिंग 10,000 rupees. If any type of payment in the business exceeding rupees 10,000, then rule क्या है? We cannot make the payment in form of cash. हम कैश में पेमेंट कर ही नहीं सकते. इनकम टैक्स ने रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाया हुआ है. अगर बेटा यहां पर 20,000 लिखा होता, हम एंट्री क्या बनाते? सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, हाउ मच? 20,000 and 20,000. Now next entry, receive commission. So commission is the income, and we can assume कि receive in cash, so cash is a real account. So commission received is nominal account and cash is the real account. So now you have to apply the rule of nominal as well as real. जब बेटे कमीशन मिलेगा तो कैश आएगा, and cash is the real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit but comes in. So what is coming into the business? Cash. So what will be the entry? Cash account debit. How much? 5,000 and 2. Rule of nominal account. Rule of nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? All expenses, losses are debit. All income or gains are credit. In that case, commission is an income. So commission is credit. Next entry. Purchase goods. So goods is the real account. You can touch, na? You can see. And from Kumar and Sons. And Kumar and Sons is a personal account. But this statement means we have purchased the goods from Kumar and Sons on credit. हमने बेटा उधार माल परचेज किया. क्या परचेज किया? माल पर गुड्स परचेज किया उधार में, क्रेडिट पर. So goods is the real accounts. What is the rule of real account? Debit but comes in. तो गुड्स आपके पास आ रहा है. So entry should be goods account debit. जो आ रहा है उसे डेबिट करना ना. पहले तो बेटा गुड्स. Goods is the real account. And Kumar and Sons. Kumar and Sons is the personal account. What is the rule of real account? Debit but comes in. So goods account debit. But whenever we purchase the goods, then we will use purchase account. Not goods account. Or whenever we sell the goods, then we will use sale. Whenever we purchase the goods, then we will use purchase. Or whenever you sold the goods, then we will use sale. Now question is, what is goods? What is goods? जिस आइटम में हम डील्स करते हैं, if any of the item which is used for the trading purpose, so this is called goods. Suppose one of the businessmen deals in the लैपटॉप. उसका काम क्या है? परचेज द लैपटॉप एंड सेल द लैपटॉप. देन लैपटॉप इज ए गुड्स फॉर सच बिजनेसमैन. बट मेरा लैपटॉप परचेज करने का, सेल करने का काम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मैंने गुड लैपटॉप परचेज किया तो मेरे लिए वो क्या है? असेट्स है. क्लियर है? सो व्हेनेवर यू परचेज द गुड्स, देन वी विल यूज परचेज. और व्हेनेवर वी सोल्ड द गुड्स, then we will use sale. Now question is, goods purchased from Kumar and Sons. First account is real account. We have passed the entry up to the real. Now rule of the personal account. What is the rule of personal account? The debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is giver? Kumar and Sons is giver. So what will be the entry? Purchase account debit to Kumar and Sons for rupees 50,000. Okay. So we have discussed today what is accounting. So recording of financial data in a systematic manner is called accounting. So two type of manner under the accounting. Number first, systematic manner. Number second is unsystematic manner. And systematic manner is called double entry system, or unsystematic manner is called single entry system. But in the business, only double entry system is the authentic or the fruitful manner. We have to record the transaction only using the double entry system. What is double entry system? Double entry system means every transaction have two effects. One of the effect named debit, another effect named credit. Then how to classify the transaction? So there is total three type of account. Number first, personal account. Number second, real account. Or number third, nominal account. So account which are related to person is called personal account. Account which are related to real things, which can be touched, which can be measured, which can be seen, this is called real account. Two type of real account, tangible as well as intangible. Or number third is the nominal account, account which are related to expenses or losses or income or gains. So first we have to classify the nature of account. Then we have to apply the rule. Now what are the rule? Rule of the personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Rule of the real account: debit but comes in, credit but goes out. And rule of the nominal account: all expenses, losses are debit, all income or gains are credit. So this is the basic concept of accounting. Now there is some specific transaction of accounting. So specific transaction we will discuss in the next class. So thank you so much all of you.